थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग मी टुडे। बच्चों की अपब्रिंगिंग में फादर्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट मोस्टली कम ही होता आया है। Years ago, maybe there were a handful of fathers truly involved with their kids, and now there are quite a few. Change आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे ही सही। I understand कि हर सिचुएशन में फादर्स अपने बच्चों को उनकी माँ जितना समय नहीं दे सकते, बट थोड़े टाइम को वो बेहतर जरूर बना सकते हैं। In this episode, I am joined by two fabulous fathers. हम लोग बात करेंगे कि आखिर क्यों जरूरी है पिता का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट और इक्वल पेरेंटिंग जैसा रिडंडेंट टर्म क्यों जरूरी है नैरेटिव चेंज करने के लिए। And there's a lot of construction noise around me, so try to ignore that because it is only in this intro and maybe outro. This again is going to be a fun conversation with lots of important points. So let's start.
Hey there, welcome to Little Fixes, a podcast for the sassy, classy and a little choosy Bhartiya Nari. This is Matri. मैं और मेरे गेस्ट शेयर करते हैं सिंपल प्रैक्टिकल आइडियाज जो आप इजीली फॉलो कर सकते हैं टू गेट क्लोजर टू द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ यू वांट टू लिव। वी टॉक अबाउट करियर, सेल्फ केयर, सोशल मीडिया टिप्स, पेरेंटिंग, रिलेशनशिप्स एंड सो मच मोर टू हेल्प यू थ्राइव। All of this is mixed with a lot of laughter. So my lovely friend, continue what you're doing and join me in this real talk. So Little Fixes में पहली बार 2 मेल गेस्ट है मेरे साथ। एक बार एक मेल गेस्ट आ चुके हैं बट ही केम विद हिज वाइफ, बट इस बार मेरे साथ 2 पापाज हैं, 2 पॉप्स हैं एंड दे आर पॉडकास्टर्स ऑल्सो। So let's first welcome them. They are Peter and Nadir. So Peter and Nadir, welcome to Little Fixes podcast.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Maitri. It's great to be on your podcast now.
Yes. So a few, I think weeks back, I was on their podcast and now they are on mine. So हम लोग आज बात करेंगे इक्वल पेरेंटिंग के बारे में और मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली बात करेंगे कि हाउ फादर्स पेरेंट देयर किड्स। बिकॉज हमने अभी तक जितने भी एपिसोड लिटिल फिक्सेस पे किए हैं सब पे हम बात करते हैं कि मदर्स कैसे करती हैं या मदर्स का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होता है, वेदर इट्स पेरेंटिंग और एनीथिंग एल्स रिलेटेड टू आवर लाइव्स। बट इन टुडेज एपिसोड वी विल नो व्हाट फादर्स थिंक अबाउट पेरेंटिंग। So, but before that, we'll start with their intros. And Peter, please introduce yourself.
So, I'm Peter Kotikalapudi, but I've been for the past 8 months known as Peter Pop. Podcast में हम एक दूसरे को ऐसे बुलाते हैं. And yeah, so I've been in marketing for the last 10 years or so, working in various companies ranging from agencies, brands, and it's been a lot of fun. But for me, like all of that kind of pales in comparison to like the last 3.5 years where literally my life has changed and you know, being a parent is, as both of you can attest, you know, something that is completely different. I mean, nothing kind of prepares you for that. Yeah, and I've been married for the last 6 years. My wife Karen and I, we live here in Bombay, and yeah, it's been quite an adventure so far, and I think it's going to continue being there for the next 15 or so years till my son finally tell him bye bye. तुम जाओ engineering college है, जो भी करना है करो.
No, I think the adventure for parents never ends because I am married. I have been married since last 9 years. लेकिन मेरी मम्मा के लिए एडवेंचर अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. She is still obsessing over me. क्या कर रही हो? क्यों नहीं खाया? Why are you on a diet? इतना वर्कआउट क्यों करती हो? वो डंबल क्यों उठाती हो? अपनी बच्ची को खाना क्यों नहीं खिलाती हो? स्वीट्स क्यों नहीं खिलाती हो? मतलब एडवेंचर तो नेवर एंडिंग है. And Nadir, how will you introduce yourself?
My full name is Nadir Kandhawala, and I too am a resident of Mumbai. I've lived all my life in this city. So the reason why we are here, thanks to Maitri, is because we too are podcasters. लेकिन हम अलग किस्म के podcasters हैं, parenting space में ही. लेकिन हम जो podcast करते हैं parenting पे, वो पापा के नजरिए से करते हैं. We are dad podcasters, which is a very rare commodity right now. क्योंकि अगर आप parenting पे कुछ भी सर्च करने जाएंगे गूगल पे तो बस आपको हर तरफ मम्मी ही मम्मी नजर आएगी, कहीं पे भी फादर नहीं दिखेगा आपको. तो मैंने और पीटर ने इसको एक काफी इंसल्टिंग समझा कि यार बाप भी तो होना चाहिए ना कहीं ना कहीं पे. So we figured कि you know what, let's just start a parenting podcast because I used to blog a lot on parenting, and that's when Peter sort of came to me and said, hey, you know what, let's do this podcast. I think it's an exciting space. And then, he came up with this idea and we were like, yeah, let's do it, content is there. और content तो हमेशा रहेगा क्योंकि बच्चे तो हमारे ही है.
Exactly.
हमें तो कहीं ना कहीं से content तो मतलब ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है, कहानी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, कहानी अपने आप बन रही है घर में. So we said, okay, let's kind of figure this out and let's do it. So here we are, Pops in a Pod. It's a dad parenting podcast, and Peter and I are hosts, and we produce the show, and we do this every week. From a professional standpoint, I have spent 15 years in the media industry, out of which about close to 11 years I've spent in television production. And in the last 4 years, मैं एक digital agency में काम करता हूँ. Or it's been good, but I think nothing can take away the joy of parenting, no matter what you do in life. That will remain the primary job always,
Yes.
as Peter and Maitri have put it. So I conclude with the same emotion that yes, it will change your life forever, and obviously in a good way. There are
नादिर
no,
बहुत मॉडेस्ट है. नादिर बड़े हस्तियों के साथ मिलजुलता था, शूटिंग करता था और सब, बट वो आई थिंक वो दूसरे
he said that
podcast
TV
episode-
productions. I was like, okay, maybe he knows some big people.
but I have worked with some good personalities, but nothing compared to the personality running around in my house. This is my 4-year-old daughter. She's a little diva herself. So yeah. So
मतलब I think all the Bollywood divas and all of them
They
will pale in comparison. Huh?
Yes, yes.
yeah, they don't come anywhere close to what we are raising at home right now.
And it's so good to hear this from you fathers, because abhi bhi it is very common in, at least in Indian society, ki it is not the job of a father to look after his kid. और जब आप लोग ऐसे बोलते हो कि दिस इज योर प्राइमरी जॉब, तो सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज मदर से सब लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि यस आई एम द प्राइमरी पेरेंट, मैं करती हूँ, बट फादर्स जब बोलते हैं तो इट साउंड्स गुड. एंड आई थिंक
No, and I understand where you're coming from, Maitri. I mean, जब हम लोग ने podcast चालू किया था, so I used to live abroad prior to this, and so a lot of my friends, I used to live in Poland, in Europe, and I was talking to them, and I have a few friends in Russia and things like that, and trust me, like for us in India, we look at it as ki Indian mentality yahi hai, right? But it's the same a lot in other countries of the world. And when I was telling them about the podcast, they said, this is an idea that, a lot of other men need to be, hearing out. It's just that I think, with social media, of course, now things are a lot more amplified in there. But there is, I feel, across the world, like a change in attitude coming in. And I think that's probably our generation. I mean, Nadir, I think you would agree, right?
No, absolutely. In fact, the term, equal parenting, also it's such a strange term, because parenting is parenting, right?
Yes.
Mom, dad, it doesn't really matter. The unfortunate part is that it's been cultivated over centuries. कि अच्छा ये मम्मी का काम है और बाप जाएगा बाहर कमाएगा, whatever, and then comes home and provides and everything, right? So the term equal, the reason why we keep using it again and again is because the society has forgotten
yes,
the fact that there are two entities that have to come together to make that child and then raise that child as well, right? So that equal is should be silent. We should not use the term equal at all. It's parenting. It's as simple as that. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमें बोलना पड़ता है वो, क्योंकि लोग भूल चुके हैं ये, तो इसलिए हमें उसको ड्रिल करना पड़ता है. मेरी वाइफ भी यही बोलती थी कि नादिर ये मत समझो कि इक्वल पेरेंटिंग एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है और होना नहीं चाहिए. नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोग भूल चुके हैं उसको. तो हमें फिर से उसको याद दिलाना है लोगों को और सोसाइटी को.
Like I jokingly say कि if I was not going to be someone who was involved in my child's life, I don't think my wife would have married me to begin with. Honestly, like those.
Yeah. तो अभी जैसे आप लोग, अभी तो सब लोग घर पे हैं, और before all this happened, आप लोग का पेरेंटिंग कैसे आप लोग करते थे कि your wives are also working, तो आप लोग कैसे मैनेज करते थे ये ड्यूटीज जो पेरेंटिंग वाली होती हैं?
मेरी वाइफ बैंक में काम करती है, तो वो जल्दी निकल जाती है घर से, और क्योंकि मैं एजेंसी में काम करता हूँ, हमें थोड़ी बहुत छूट मिल जाती है, कभी कभी भी जा सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. हमारा जो हमारी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज थी या है अभी भी, अभी तो ऑब्वियसली सिचुएशन काफी अलग है. मेरी वाइफ उसका मेरी डॉटर का नाश्ता बना के टेबल पर रखती थी. मैं तब तक उठ के उसको तैयार करता था स्कूल के लिए, मैं उसको स्कूल ड्रॉप करता था, उसको खाना खिलाता था, all of that. So all of that came under my purview, right? In the evening, she would take over the duties of either mostly again feeding her, whereas I would take up the responsibilities of bathing her, washing her up in terms of brushing her teeth or whatever it was, changing her, and then taking her to bed. And then again my wife would take over in terms of reading books, because that's the time that my wife would also like to utilize to spend more time with her, because technically I spend in regular working hours day, I would be spending more time with my daughter. So that's how we actually kind of divided our duties. But again, there was no hard and fast rule. Nahi, मैं तुम्हारा नहीं करूँगा. Today, just because you gave her, you are bathing her, I will not make food. ऐसा कभी होता ही नहीं था. It's just that it became a very natural thing for us. कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब उसको नहला दो, no problem. Even though I'm a very planned, as in both my wife and I are very planned parents, we never at any given point in time forget the fact that these roles that we set for ourselves, these duties that we set for ourselves, are not set in stone. Right, वीकेंड पे अगर किसी को काम है तो ऑब्वियसली the one takes over, और अगर कहीं पे जाना है घूमने वगैरह जो भी करना है वो भी सब साथ में ही होता है, right? So there is no such like demarcation. These lines are very blurred. The idea is to work together. That's the important part, right?
The idea 50-50 जैसा कुछ नहीं होता है कि इतना तुमने किया इतना मेरा किया, ऐसा नहीं.
Exactly. मतलब यहाँ पे हम खाता थोड़ी ना बना रहे कि भाई आज तुमने क्या किया चलो टोटल मारते, नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. और अब आप लॉकडाउन में आप लोग क्या करते हो कि अभी तो क्योंकि सब लोग घर पे हैं, तब आपने कैसे मैनेज किया?
So the thing is, my wife and I, contrast to Nadir, are very spontaneous people. And then slowly, like once my wife started working post delivery and all, then we tried to keep it spontaneous, but nahi hota tha. Matlab, like it reached a stage where hum log ko, because my wife works at a digital publication, so events are part of her role also, where she keeps going out and all. हम लोग ने एक्सेल शीट बनाया था और गूगल कैलेंडर पे कि इस दिन मैं ये इवेंट में जा रहा हूँ, मेरा ये मीटिंग है दिस पार्ट ऑफ टाउन, सो यू हैव टू पिक अप, यू हैव टू ड्रॉप ऑफ, यू हैव टू डू दिस, यू हैव टू डू दैट. सो दैट्स द ओनली वे वी रियलाइज दैट अनलेस एंड वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, बिकॉज अभी टाइम भी नहीं होता है कि यू कैन कॉल अप एंड से कि हाँ ये हो रहा है. सो दैट कैलेंडर बिकेम लिटिल ईजी फॉर अस टू काइंड ऑफ फॉलो इन देयर. And that continued all the way till few months ago. I mean, we'd constantly be, planning out keys. If I can't drop, you drop off, pick up, and things like that. And I still remember, like, so, I mean, we discussed this on my podcast, on our podcast also. But my son's birthday was just like few days before the lockdown
started.
Yeah, and till then, for like the last 2-3 weeks, we were planning his birthday, and like. The couple of days before that, I looked at my wife and said, "कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, मतलब this will be highly irresponsible of us." Yes. And at that time, both of us were like, "हाँ ठीक है, चलो 1-2 हफ्ता होगा, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, कितने तक खींच पाएंगे, मतलब ये लॉकडाउन, how long can हम लोग सब घर पे रहेंगे?" So that time it was okay. I mean, it was just 2 of us then. So we said, ठीक है, सुबह का नाश्ता तुम करो, ये वो and all. But after a month, that first month was the roughest, I would say, because like we're not used to, like each one is so used to their own space, their own travel time, where you have your own. Now, like it was easily in my 6-year marriage the toughest month, I would say, because we're constantly in each other's face, right? And now to add to that, if it was just 2 of us, it would have been ठीक है, like थोड़ा extended honeymoon जैसे होता था or something like that. But here now you have a 3-year-old who's also constantly vying for your attention, right? And मतलब daddy मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, and we were not used to that. I mean, we were used to him going to a play school, daycare, pick him up after work, and then the added complexity is you're stuck in 4 walls, right? मतलब तुम बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते हो. How do you expend? Everyone has that energy that is just pent up, that is kind of, how do you expend it really? What do you do? So, but I think, communication really helped. Like, we kind of sat down, said, okay, what's the issue we're facing? How can we divide our roles? How do we do it? And then, in a way, we kind of went back to our spontaneity, where I'd wake up one morning, surprise her with breakfast. Those kind of small things, I think, we forgot or took for granted those things, doing those small things for each other.
Right.
So, or like one day I'd say like खाना मत बनाओ यार, and now recently at least we've been able to order food, so you know kind of surprise with that. मतलब those are the small
बड़ी
pleasures.
चीज हो गई है खाना ऑर्डर करना।
हाँ, मतलब बाहर का खाना खा रहे हैं, oh my god, like I never thought like January में हम लोग ऐसे बात भी करें।
Earlier you would even think अरे नहीं ये चाइनीज वाले से मत मंगाओ, हाइजीनिक जरा भी नहीं है, वो दूसरा वाले से मंगाओ, थोड़ा महंगा है चलेगा। अभी तो फर्क ही नहीं पता भाई, मंगा जो मंगाना है मंगा, ये तो के बाद में देख लेंगे।
पेट खराब हुआ तो ठीक है, चलो घर पे ही है ना।
Can't be worse than corona, right? So
सही बात है। अब सब ऐसा हो जाता है ना सिचुएशन, बिकॉज इनिशियली क्या था कि वीकेंड पे बाहर चले गए, वीकडे पे अगर नहीं मन हो रहा है तो बाहर से मंगा लिया, बट अभी क्या है कि वी कैन नॉट डू दिस, बनाना ही है घर पे, और जैसे ही मौका मिलता है कि अब हम मंगा सकते हैं तो यस वी विल डू इट।
and we are doing it, and it's like it's something that you look forward to, right? Because there's nothing else to look forward to. So like so I'll tell you one thing as far as the lockdown is concerned. Monday to Friday कहाँ निकल जाता है, कैसे निकल जाता है, किसी को पता नहीं चलता, क्योंकि इतना काम होता है, right? And when I say calm, right? The reason why we are feeling so exhausted and the reason why we think there is so much work is because half your time is going in coordinating with different teams.
Right.
तो परेशानी तो वहीं से उठती है। मेजर वर्क प्रॉब्लम जो हम बोलते हैं ना, वो the root cause of it is coordinating with multiple, so you feel even more exhausted, right? So Monday to Friday ठीक है, चलो good. In fact Monday to Thursday पकड़ लो, Friday थोड़ा easy दिन है, ठीक है। But then Tuesday से हमारे सपने शुरू हो जाते हैं। Saturday Sunday क्या खाएंगे हम? मतलब हमारे सपने ही चेंज हो गए लाइफ के।
Exactly.
एक जमाने में हम सोचते थे कि अरे चलो हम हॉलिडे के लिए कहीं फॉरेन जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो लाइक वो सपने होते थे, राइट? अभी क्या हो गया? अभी सपने चेंज हो गए कि कहाँ से खाना मंगवाना है। मुझे इसकी कॉफी अच्छी नहीं लगती, मुझे उस वाले की कॉफी, तो हम वहां ड्राइव करके जाएंगे और ये पहन के जाएंगे। मतलब इट्स जस्ट आई मीन इट्स एक्साइटिंग, बट the landmarks have become so small, right, in your life right now, that it kind of I don't know anymore. Like I don't know. Like I have given up to even think about it emotionally. So like हाँ ठीक है, जब तक चलता है, no problem. I haven't really broken down or anything. And for my daughter also, she doesn't care. She's most happy कि घर पे सब बैठे हैं, मम्मी डैडी दादा
दोनों मिल रहे हैं। एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ मतलब सब लोग घर पे, तो वेरी गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम। 6 महीने ऐसे निकल गए, उसको ऐसा कभी नहीं लगता कि मुझे बाहर जाके बच्चों से खेलना है। she's 4 years old, it doesn't matter, so she hasn't really interacted socially with too many kids of her age. बिल्डिंग में है 2-3 बच्चे, तो उसके साथ जाके खेलती है, पर ऐसा नहीं कि मिस करती है उनको भी। Everyone has to take care, but the schooling, the online schooling, which I have experienced right now, because this year we enrolled our daughter in school, so that has become an added responsibility. तो शुरू में तो हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि स्कूल का वक्त और ऑफिस का वक्त सेम, तो how do you manage, right? And my wife had very clear priorities that okay, because she works in a bank, all her meetings are lined up in the morning, so we made a deal that okay, you know what, I'll manage her school, and I personally enjoy education, right? Whether it's our education or the kids' education, and both Peter and I teach in the same college as well. So we completely value the aspect of education, and I was very happy to take up the responsibility कि नहीं भाई, मैं तो उसी के बगल में बैठ के देखूंगा कि वो स्कूल उसका कैसा चल रहा है, कैसे सिखा रहे हैं, क्या सीख रही है।
मतलब आई नो दिस इज एन ऑडियो पॉडकास्ट, बट सबको विजुअल आ गया कि नादिर वो पापा है जो बच्चे के बाजू में बैठ के
मैं वही बंदा हूँ जो मतलब बैठेगा, and I don't even mind saying this, that initially I used to be that parent who used to keep prodding his, अरे ये बोलना, अरे वो बोलना, अरे ये अरे वो बोलना. So I used to do that. Then I realized that अगर नॉर्मल स्कूल होती तो पता ही नहीं चलता ना कि बच्चा क्या कर रहा है क्लास में. तो then I have to systematically cut myself off from there. I was there in the room, but then I had to pretend that I'm not in her vision. So obviously that time also work used to happen, but now full concentration on work because I don't bother, because now she's got used to it. टीचर्स को भी समझ में आ गया है कि हाँ ठीक है, उसको म्यूट अनम्यूट करने आ गया है, तो उसको सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलते हैं मेरी बेटी को कि भाई गो ऑन म्यूट, तो खुद कर लेती है अपने आप. लेकिन वो एक एडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शुरू में काफी इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. स्कूल स्टार्टेड इन June, mid-June, last week of June, and it got tough. June, July was very tough, but now it's eased out, because now everyone's got used to it, and we are okay with it, and okay. So as of now, so far so good, but अभी खटक रहा है थोड़ा कि यार चलो यार अभी बाहर निकलते हैं. Like I never used to crib that much, लेकिन अभी थोड़ा वो आ रहा है दिमाग पे, थोड़ा वो बैठ रहा है. हाँ कि यार अभी कुछ करते हैं यार, लेट्स काइंड ऑफ गो समवेयर, बट वो डर है अभी भी कि नहीं कुछ हो गया तो, क्योंकि
होना भी
घर पे
अभी
ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट सेफ.
यस ओके, लेकिन चलो आप लोगों ने इतना सारा बताया कि हम ऐसे करते हैं. अगर पीटर मैं आपकी वाइफ से पूछूं कि हाउ वुड शी रेट यू एज अ पेरेंट, सो हाउ वुड शी रेट यू? बी ऑनेस्ट, डोंट से कि शी विल रेट यू 10 on 10.
मतलब देखो, honestly I don't know how she would rate me, because it depends on the day, honestly. I'm telling you, and I'm being very frank. क्योंकि क्या होता है, I'll tell you, right? I mean, कभी and see, this is something
by day you mean mood.
नहीं दोनों का मूड होता है. I'll be very honest. मतलब it's not only it's very stereotypical थी कि हाँ औरतों का भी मूड होता है. There's some days when you also as a man just wake up or there's something that happens at work and things like that. But I mean I would say that with us, right, because we've spent so much time with each other, and we actually were friends before we started dating and then got married. So she takes one look at me and she knows, like मेरे ना से भी उसको पता चलता है कि मेरा मूड कैसा है. और मुझे भी साइमल्टेनियसली आई मीन सेम चीज ऐसे पता चलता है. उनके शी सेज इट्स नथिंग, मेरे को पता है कि हाँ कुछ तो है, गड़बड़ है, एंड वी फिगर इट आउट. सो क्या आई मीन देयर आर अप्स एंड डाउन्स, ऑनेस्टली. आई मीन सबके साथ, एंड इन दिस सिनेरियो each day we kind of take things step by step and try and figure out. I mean with her, हम लोग ने जब पहले शादी में ही डिस्कस किया था कि if we keep having the same arguments or same fights, then we need to improve, and we need to constantly keep communicating and talking to each other. I think that's the main point really.
That's true, very true.
Of course, I mean वो हमेशा competition तो रहता है कि मैं तुमसे बेहतर हूँ. That's an inherent thing in there that we have. Both of us are equal to him, and we will also treat him and give him the same amount of love and affection in there. So yeah.
Okay, and Nadir, आपकी wife आपको कैसे rate करेंगी?
Honestly speaking, my wife would be very critical of my parenting style. Even I think being the husband, and as Peter correctly said, right, that it all depends on the situation, the day, the mood. But my wife would still rate me as average. So I think very safely, yeah, I'm telling you, very safely you can say 5. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि you can still improve. You're not there yet, and don't think you're there yet.
हम रायन गॉसलिंग नहीं है.
हाँ, बनेंगे नहीं, और हम बनेंगे भी नहीं.
ब्रैड पिट और सब नहीं है. हम सिर्फ नादिर और पीटर हैं.
And I think the wives know that fact very well, and they kind of toy with our emotions. But my wife is brutally blunt with her opinions. It doesn't matter who that person is, and including myself, right? So if something is not happening right, then she'd say it, that okay, this is not happening and you're not contributing the way you should be, and I think you can do better. And obviously then there are arguments or whatever it is, but we ensure that we don't take our problems to bed. We try and solve it before we go to bed, so that when we wake up in the morning, we appreciate each other. But I think there is a lot of room for improvement for me as well, for her, and I think this particular norm will work always for women, which is instinctively they are better at parenting. It's a fact, I think, and I see it. I mean, I can see it that there are certain things that instinctively come to her, right? For me, I'm told certain things, and I feel kind of bad. I said, "Arey yaar, why did she have to remind me?" कर ले पता है, लेकिन नहीं होता है वो नहीं होता है. And
yes.
It's a fact. Now, whether you attribute it to the fact that I'm a man and she's a woman, and these things come to her very instinctively and naturally, is a debate for later. But yes, there is so much room for improvement, and I think we should just face the fact that my daughter's only 4 years old. I mean, अभी तो पूरी जिंदगी बची है. मतलब अभी can you imagine the kind of journey that we have to go on? Like when she's going to grow up, she's going to have her own opinions. My God, that's the day that I don't know. I dread that day. I dread the day she's going to turn into a teen and start throwing sass at us. That child has this interesting perception of, like her parents individually. Like I'll give you an example. So if my wife has to give her certain instructions, कि जाके ये कर क्या, कि ये उठा ले, वो उठा ले, या ये करे, या वो करे, फलाना, whatever, she'll immediately do it. But if I have to give a certain set of instructions, she'll play with me. वो नहीं करेगी immediately. But if my wife comes and says, क्यों नहीं किया ये, चलो करो इसको, या ये ऐसा करो या वैसा करो, whatever it is, right? She will do it. And if I have to tell her the same thing, she will never do it. So we've not defined ourselves in certain roles. It just, I think, depends on the child and the situation that she finds herself in with either of us, right? I'm not saying that she'll try and play us. No, she's not that stupid. But yeah, sometimes she tries and we catch her. And we tell her, don't you dare try and do that, because, you know, your father or your mother will always come first and you'll be later, right? So I think she kind of gets it. She gets that emotion from both of us, and she knows who to go. I mean, in what situation, who's going to handle her best. So I think we kind of leave it up to her कि भाई हम तो ऐसे ही है, तू decide कर करना क्या है
exactly. मेरी डॉटर के साथ क्या है, I don't know, मैं तो stay at home हूँ, work from home हूँ, और मेरा husband full time work में है. But what happens कि she will always say, मतलब हम लोग ने कभी नहीं सिखाया उसको, but अगर मैं कभी उससे बोलूंगी ना कि जैसे अभी चलो पापा के साथ खेल लो, तो she will say मुझे पापा अच्छे नहीं लगते, मुझे मम्मा अच्छी लगती है. और she will also say, कुछ और बात होगी, पापा मुझे कभी नहीं डांटते, मम्मा मुझे बहुत डांटती है. She will say this also, but still she loves mama more.
नहीं वो
perception.
नहीं वो actually हो जाता है. I mean, and so I think very consciously my wife Karen and I kind of stayed away from that. There are certain times where, you know, I know that, you know, my wife will really be tough, so I'll say, you know, let me discipline. Or there are certain times where there. So the thing is, we try not to be, I mean, again, he's still, you know, 3.5 only. So abhi tak itni shararat karta nahi hai. But even at those times, right, it's kind of, both of us have to kind of जुगलबंदी लिटरली करने पड़ती है कि तुम अभी करो, because what happens is and this is something we do very consciously, because मतलब ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक parent बहुत strict है, then you know you're kind of polarizing your child at a very young age, and this is, you know, at a time where you can really, you know, spook the kid, so to say, right? So we're trying to avoid that.
yes. Okay, Peter, तो अब आप हमें ये बताओ कि आपको कोई best and worst parenting advice मिली क्या कभी?
And this is not because Nadir and I do the podcast together, but the reason why we do the podcast together is a lot of the advice. So, I mean, for those of you who have heard our podcast, right, the story is that Nadir and I literally sat next to each other at work. And Nadir's daughter was about 6 months old when he joined the agency, and my wife was still pregnant. So a lot of the I wouldn't say like even best advice, but the realistic and practical advice that I really needed at that time came from Nadir and his blog. So that was really helpful for me. And the thing is, even now, I mean, it's changed in the last couple of years, but I was the only parent among my friend circle. So I didn't have anyone to kind of look to. And like, it's very small stuff also. Like, you know, Nadir was telling me about the hospital, kya karna chahiye, plan kaise karna chahiye. Because Nadir had really planned out everything in there. PMC के साथ कैसे handle करना चाहिए. I mean, like, you know, it's those small things. मतलब because, like, you know, we take these things for granted, but you know, वो BMC का जो birth certificate मिलता है is something that affects the kid for the rest of his life, right? मतलब एक spelling mistake, एक इधर उधर हो जाता है, and you know, the kid is cursing you more for that than anything else in his adulthood. So yeah, I would give all credit to Nadir for that, because it was not only the advice there, but it was not unsolicited advice, right? It was something that I needed and was very useful and practical at that time.
काफी practical advice मिली पीटर को. और नादिर, अच्छा आप फिर worst advice बताइए अगर आपको कोई मिली क्या कभी?
Well, firstly, I'm very touched and thankful to what Peter said. But I'll pick up one thing what Peter said, which is unsolicited, right? And that is something that people really need to start moving away from. Like, don't give advice to anyone. Like, Indians की आदत है ना, हर गली नुक्कड़ पे कोई खड़ा होगा, बोलेगा अरे भाई साहब कहाँ, मतलब मैं बताऊँ आपको, कुछ बताओ आपको, right? So it's ingrained in us, right, to just give फुकट का ऐसा मुफ्त का एडवाइस किसी को चिपकाना, right? और ये पेरेंटिंग में बहुत होता है ये, right? मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन मैं आपको सिचुएशन बोल सकता हूँ कि यहाँ पे बुजुर्ग, you know, fellow parents and non-parents, non-parents have come and told me how I should parent my child. And I'm like, हाँ भाई बोलो, तुम भी बोल दो, अभी बोल दो, ठीक है चलो. बोल दो क्या चॉकलेट देनी चाहिए? अच्छा वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ चॉकलेट दे दो अपनी बेटी को. कल जाके कुछ हो गया मेरी बेटी को तो तू देगा भाई हॉस्पिटल के पैसे. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. मतलब सबको फ्री फंड का एडवाइस देना बड़ा मजा आता है, लेकिन कल जाके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात आ गई ना, भाग जाएंगे. सबसे पहले यही लोग होंगे तो भाग जाएंगे. Correct. And that is something which I honestly don't appreciate. Like, don't tell me things where I have far more experience than you do. Right? And even if you have experience in raising children and doing things, that's very good. And I really like the fact that you've done that. But that's not how I am necessarily going to raise my child. If I feel that, yes, you know, you've done something so great with your parenting skills, then I will come and ask you. लेकिन सामने से आके मत बोलो, because you know, you don't know who you're going to tick off, who you're going to piss off. Right? There's certain people have the threshold and they'll entertain you. Certain people just don't have the threshold, and you just might end up spoiling your relation. So there is no one worst parenting advice. I've got a series of it. So as I said, I'm not going to dwell on one. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो आके कुछ भी ऐसा भलता बोल के चले जाएंगे अपने मस्ती में. मतलब अरे ये ट्राई किया क्या?
It's like, and just I don't want to dwell too much upon it, but India में क्या होता है, because you know we're a very open culture, right? I mean, and I'm contrasting this because in, you know, Western countries, कोई दूसरे के बच्चे के ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे कि why are you doing this, why are you doing that? You're like, अरे वो उसका बच्चा है, वो उसका फैमिली है, ठीक है.
हाँ भाई, कल का जाके सू कर दिया तो लेने के देने पड़ जाएंगे.
नहीं, and I'm putting this into context because in India it seems कि कोई बच्चा हमारा बच्चा है, मतलब कोई भी, whether it is the guy in village.
Yeah, exactly.
We take this very literally, I must say. I mean, it's like whether it's that guy who's in the restaurant, or the waiter over there, or like, you know, somebody who sees you in a bus. And like, so for example, my wife used to travel by ladies compartment in Bombay, right? मतलब वहाँ जो भी आंटियाँ है, जो भी लेडीज है, सब मतलब घर की नानी बन गई टाइप. तुम ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो? Like, and the worst part is that my wife initially would travel by the ladies compartment with my son. Finally I said, you know, like मैं नहीं सुन सकता हूँ, come travel with me, मतलब छोड़ो, like you don't need to listen to them. अरे तुमने बूटीज नहीं पहनाया, ये नहीं करे, अच्छा ये ऐसे कपड़े पहनाते हैं, and you're just like, okay, like, and you know, because you're, first of all, and this is where I really sympathize with my wife, because you know, you're just getting used to this new role, right? And parenting is, if you're a first time parent, कोई बुक नहीं मिलता है, मतलब पढ़ के तुम पास हो जाओ और हाँ, you're the best parent ever. So having some, first of all, when you're insecure about your role, having someone else giving you unsolicited advice makes you even further, right?
Yes. ओके, तो हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा डिस्कशन किया, इतनी सारी पेरेंटिंग की बातें हो गई, सारी अनसॉलिसिटेड सॉलिसिटेड एडवाइस, सब कुछ हो गया. और आई एम श्योर कि जो मेरी लिसनर्स हैं, दे आर मेजरली मॉम्स, तो उनको भी बहुत सारे नए व्यू पॉइंट्स जानने को मिले होंगे. बट अगर आपसे बोला जाए कि जो मॉम्स लाइक मी, उनके लिए आपके पास कोई मैसेज है क्या? तो मे बी डू you have a message for mothers?
Get your husbands involved for whatever reason, because I mean, again, it's not our thing, prerogative as to why your husband is not involved and things like that. But you know, that's where I feel, honestly, if I was one of those people who would kind of say that, you know, I don't want to be involved, I'm actually the biggest loser in this scenario, because when I look back at, you know, the last 3.5 years, I have changed so much as a person. I've learned so much, not just about, you know, parenting, as just about me as a person. I mean, and I think, you know, Nader and I know each other for that duration, and he would kind of see, I've seen a change in him also. And I think that's where, you know, for me, like a lot of times, the thing I do is when I look at my son, right, I say, is this something I want my son to be known about me? Yes. So that has become my guiding principle through whatever I do. And yeah, I mean, really, I think anyone who's listening can kind of agree, right? I mean, like, parenting is one of the best journeys that you will be on.
Yes.
Like,
so why deprive yourself? और अपने पार्टनर को भी आप समझा सकते हो. हम लोगों ने इक्वल पेरेंटिंग के बारे में एक बार पहले भी बात करी थी, उसमें शुभ्रीत वाज देयर, और उन्होंने भी यही बोला था. इवन शी addressed men कि एटलीस्ट और किसी चीज के लिए नहीं, तो अपनी वाइफ की मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए be involved for her well-being. मतलब there are so many angles to it.
And you rightly pointed out to you know, the mental health aspect, because it is so important to, and I'm not talking about mums, dads. I'm just talking about parents, right? Parents in general. There's no gender involved over here. Everyone goes through a serious, mental distress, right? Especially when it comes to kids, and especially when you're new parents. And आज के ज़माने में अगर आपको सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, right? घर वालों से चलो सपोर्ट मिल जाएगा आपको, क्योंकि जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम इन इंडिया एंड एवरीथिंग, लेकिन आपके अगर हस्बैंड से अगर आपको सपोर्ट या वाइफ से अगर सपोर्ट ना मिले, तो वो जो बीतती है ना इंसान पे, वो मतलब वो समझ के बाहर है, राइट? बिकॉज it stays with you for life, and it gets reflected in your child, right? Because see, we're all parents over here, and we all know our child inside out for a reason. Why? Because your child is constantly seeking validation.
Yes.
Right? अभी उसके सामने अगर उसकी माँ है या उसका बाप है, कहीं ना कहीं तो उसका वो validation fulfill हो रहा है, right? Now, when that child has both set of parents, I have noticed this, and I'm sure even Peter has noticed this, that when you have one child in the house and you have many people, especially both the parents around that kid will not just go to one parent and say कैसा लगा आपको, अच्छा लगा, okay, thank you so much. That child will go to both the parents and seek that validation. कैसा लगा आपको, अच्छा लगा, and unless and until you don't give an opinion, you will not be, they will never go away. Now imagine you're compounding this problem by not giving, by not giving them that, what they seek, right? Imagine कि शुरू से बच्चा आ रहा है, for whatever reason आपने टाल दिया, अरे भाई जाए यहाँ से, काम है, ये है, वो है, whatever it is, and you're continuously doing that. Can you imagine what that child will grow up and think of you?
यार वो भी फिर हमारे साथ ऐसे ही करेगा ना. I think जब वो टीनेजर होगा वो भी यही करेगा. हम जाएंगे कि हाँ, please talk to me.
Precisely. And in today's day and age, do you think it's worth it? Do you think you want to do it? तो फिर बच्चा पैदा क्यों किया तुमने? अगर आपको सारी की सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज किसी और के सिर पे थोपती नहीं है, तो फिर why? Like, see, these kind of questions will obviously arise. I'm sorry I'm taking such a hard line on this, but it's a fact. I mean, in today's day and age, the responsibilities have gone up. The value of money has gone up tremendously. The amount of investment you need to do emotionally, physically, monetarily, it keeps going up, right? So then how can you just back off suddenly by saying कि हाँ नहीं मुझे तो बाप बनना है, लेकिन मैं यही करूँगा, बाकी का तुम संभालो. नहीं कर सकते. How can you make such decisions? You can't do that. So I don't want to, like, as I just said, giving advice is not something we want to do, but this is just a thought that has we've seen it in our house, and we just want to share this with you guys by saying that this is something that we've noticed, and I'm sure if it's happening in our house, it's happening in a lot of other houses. So yeah, it's just something that you might want to be a little mindful about.
If I just want to add one small point, is I think this came up in one of our recent episodes where we were talking to Shraddha Sood, who founded Mama Couture, and she made a very valid point, and even Nadir's wife Sabiha was talking about it, is ask for help. What happens, and this is again I'm giving general for both parents, fathers and mothers, is as individuals growing up, we've always been told ki nahi, be tough, be rugged, be independent and all of that. And sometimes once we become parents, we take that, not realizing that when you're in a marriage, when you're a parent, it's two equal parts that work together. So sometimes each one has their ups and downs until you ask for help, right? When you need. If you make those issues only your issues, they're going to remain your issues and you're not going to move forward. But the moment you ask for help, and this can be in any aspect of life, that's the starting point of your growth, I feel.
Yes. Okay. So सुपर हीरोइन नहीं बनना है. हेल्प लीजिए और साथ साथ करिए. मजेदार काम है पेरेंटिंग भी, अगर आप एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट करके करते हैं तो. And Nadir and Peter, it was so lovely talking to you, and I hope कि ये जो एपिसोड है, ये जो भी women सुन रही हैं वो अपने husbands को सुनाएं if they are not involved, or maybe even if they are involved, उनको सबको सुनना चाहिए. They will get a different perspective. और thank you so much Nadir and Peter for coming to Little Fixes. And yes, हमें ये जरूर बताइए कि आपसे लोग कहाँ connect हो सकते हैं online.
So, if you guys have anything to share, any interesting thoughts, you can write to us at popsinthepod@gmail.com. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Just search for Popsinthepod and we'll show up. And our podcast is available on all major podcasting platforms. Yeah, just search for Popsinthepod and yeah, we'll show up.
हाँ,
Okay.
और हमारा वेबसाइट भी है popsinapod.com.
Okay,
वहाँ
perfect.
सब लिंक्स
तो सब कुछ पॉप्स इन अ पॉट पे है, तो आप
Yes.
कहीं भी डाल दीजिए पॉप्स इन अ पॉट, यू विल फाइंड नादिर एंड पीटर.
Maitri, thank you so much for inviting us. We really enjoyed this chat.
So, papas, be with your kids a little more. You will love it and so will they. Thank you for listening. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये कॉन्वर्सेशन किसी की हेल्प कर सकता है, तो प्लीज शेयर दिस एपिसोड विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड ऑन सोशल मीडिया. Subscribe to Little Fixes Podcast and don't forget to rate and review us. Follow at Little Fixes Podcast on Instagram and Facebook. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में एक सुपर सक्सेसफुल मॉमी होने वाली है हमारे साथ और बातें होंगी कुछ अलग तरह की. तो नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे का वेट करो और सदा सैसी रहो. बाय.